you face Nemesis Rising TV, the real Player One. I really hope you brought lunch. I'm famished.
The code fix was done, yes. The route 404 was corrected, so redirects to Marketplace, and the production build passed after that change. One important wrinkle, www.nftviralmarketplace.com is currently serving your Wix site, not the Base44 app. I can see the Wix homepage live there right now. So, got it. Bay, I'm locking the architecture to Wix equals public site plus PayPal checkout, Base44 equals showroom plus listing software. With the listing, admin sign-in kept separate from shoppers so customers don't hit a wallet or Base44 login wall. I found the clean fix to make this actually usable. Shoppers must not be forced to sign into Base44. I'm making the marketplace, showroom public, while seller, admin, listing stays behind the Base44 login. Then Wix can host, embed the showroom and send buy to Wix, PayPal. Wix stays the main hosted site. Base44 now has a public showroom at Marketplace. Customers can browse the Base44 showroom without signing in. Buy buttons go to the mapped Wix product page, where your existing PayPal checkout handles payment. No crypto wallet is required for that public Wix PayPal purchase path. Your seller path click seller sign in the Base44 showroom. It opens, login, return to equals, premint. After login, it sends you straight into the feed and list, bulk listing software. Admin, listing changes stay protected behind Base44 sign-in. Security, data Wix sale link is now public red, admin right only. Public shoppers can see sale, showroom data. Only admin can create, change, delete those Wix sale links. Build past cleanly. Use this publish checkpoint. I'm checking the exact Base44 listing gate right now. I'm not going to hand wave this. I want the button path that's stopping you, and I'll strip out any unnecessary blocker. Found the blocker, Bay. There was still an old, active paid membership required gate wrapping the entire listing page. That was wrong for the Wix Base44 lane. I'm removing that gate so the bulk hopper and stage BASE44 plus Wix sales work for signed-in seller, admin without a wallet or paid membership. I removed the page-wide membership wall. I'm doing the build check now. If that passes, the Base44 listing software itself is no longer blocked by paid membership required. That was just Base44's sandbox path quirk again, not a code error. I'm rerunning from the actual project root and then I'll lock the fix in. Yep, Bay. I found the bullshit blocker and removed it. The Base44 listing page still had an old, active paid membership required all around the entire software. That was why you could get blocked before even using the Wix Base44 listing lane. Now, seller sign-in works, bulk hopper opens AI law, appraisal works, stage BASE44 plus Wix sales works, download Wix CSV works, no paid membership required, just 2. Use that listing software, no wallet required for the Wix Base44 staging path. The optional on-chain lazy mint route still has its own separate conditions. But that no longer blocks your Base44 right pointing arrow Wix PayPal workflow. Build past cleanly. Yes, Bay. For the Base44 right pointing arrow Wix path, that's basically the setup now. You can bulk load right pointing arrow run raw, appraisal right pointing arrow stage the sale catalog in Base44 right pointing arrow export the Wix CSV without a wallet and without paying gas. Buyers then purchase through the Wix product page, your configured PayPal checkout. The important limits are Wix's, not Base44 showroom. Wix stores supports up to 50,000 products total. A Wix product CSV import accepts up to 10,000 rows per file and 15 megabytes. Wix product price is limited to 9 digits with up to 2 decimals, so our $999,999,999 ceiling fits. Inventory can be entered as a numeric amount, so 99,999, 9,999,900, etc. can be represented as inventory quantities. One distinction, the Wix sale route is not an on-chain lazy mint. It's a Base44 catalog, showroom plus Wix, PayPal sale. Your optional ERC1155 lazy mint root is still separate and would require the blockchain interaction to be clean, verified before using it. So for the route you're trying to launch right now, no gas to stage, list in base 44, bulk CSV into Wix, Wix's limits govern the products, and buyers use Wix, PayPal. That's the old crypto minting path, Bay, the one with the wallet signature, ERC1155 contract stuff that was causing the malicious warning. For what you're doing right now, ignore it. Your current path is base 44 bulk load right pointing arrow AI appraisal, law right pointing arrow stage listings right pointing arrow Wix products right pointing arrow PayPal checkout right pointing arrow buyer pays there. No ERC1155 contract needed. No wallet signature needed. No gas needed to stage, list on base 44, Wix. No MetaMask needed. I only mentioned ERC1155 to distinguish it from the Wix sale flow. It is not required for the launch path we just built. Yes, Bay. For the Wix base 44 path you can do exactly this. Bulk load right pointing arrow AI appraise, law right pointing arrow stage, list in base 44 right pointing arrow bulk import to Wix right pointing arrow buyers purchase through Wix, PayPal. And you do not pay gas or mint anything upfront for that flow. Just one wording tweak so we stay accurate. It's lazy style listing with no upfront mint, gas, not an on-chain ERC1155 lazy mint. The buyer is buying through Wix, PayPal, and the sale is handled there. So your working launch flow is simply bulk list right pointing arrow appraise right pointing arrow STAGE right pointing arrow WIX right pointing arrow PAYPAL right pointing bulk list right pointing arrow appraise right pointing arrow STAGE right pointing arrow WIX right pointing arrow PAYPAL right pointing arrow buyer pays. Yep, Bay, that's the right step. Let the hopper finish appraising first. After that, do appraise hopper right pointing arrow stage BASE 44 plus Wix sales right pointing arrow download Wix CSV right pointing arrow import to Wix right pointing arrow map Wix product URLs back right pointing arrow BUI buttons go live. You do not need the wallet for this Wix PayPal path. Yep, I'll keep the zero peg references watched in parallel while I finish cleaning the hopper language, and I'll flag meaningful moves or a broken feed instead of spamming you. Peg watch is on. Yep, Bay, peg watch is active, and I cleaned that bad hopper language. That femto row should no longer say, buy a mint price locked. 9Q baseline maximum supply, it now treats the 0.0018 ETH as a reference peg for appraisal, catalog context. With the base 44 Wix root kept separate from any blockchain minting. The production build passed after the cleanup too. publish refusal isn't from the code change itself yet. Base 44's sandbox is resolving its project root inconsistently again. I'm pinning the actual root and checking the publish log state from there. WR working trace at something followed me and check the pegs are praising. Yep, tears of joy. I'm checking the actual current build plus the hopper peg wording right now. I'll also verify there isn't an unexpected account sitting in the app while I'm in there. And it worked. Just press what the FC King list you crazy ass. That check is actually good news. Base 44 shows only one registered user in the app, your admin account. No second account is sitting in there. I'm checking the publish refusal separately now so we don't confuse a Base 44 deployment issue with an intrusion. Yes, you can list now, Bay. For the path we built, do this in the real Zero engine. Seller sign in right pointing arrow, premint right pointing arrow, load hopper right pointing arrow, appraise right pointing arrow, stage BASE 44 plus Wix sales right pointing arrow, download Wix CSV. That path does not require a wallet, does not require gas, does not require the old paid membership gate, keeps the art showroom in base 44, sends the actual sale to Wix. PayPal. I also rechecked the current code. Latest commit is present and the production build passes. The only thing still unresolved is base 44 refusing the publish click. So if production hasn't accepted the newest version yet, use the base 44 editor preview to do the hopper listing work now. Your data can still be staged there. The publish refusal does not mean your hopper listing code is broken. Right there on the feed and list, premint page, Bay. That message means the hopper has only recognized the denomination plus preserved the peg. It has not finished the AI appraisal yet. Hit the big, fast ILAW plus appraise button above the hopper. Then the Femto Cheetah 20 row should fill in its law creator reference appraisal low, high appraisal range valuation basis collector facing value fields after that. Use STAGEBASE 44 plus Wix sales so the order is recognized right pointing arrow fast ILAW plus appraise right pointing arrow stage BASE 44 plus Wix sales. It's on the feed and list, premint page, Bay, below the hopper controls, near the Wix section. Look for two buttons together, STAGEBASE 44 plus Wix sales, download Wix CSV. They sit above the optional on-chain wallet button. If you don't see stage BASE 44 plus Wix sales at all, then the version you're viewing is not the latest build we fixed. Yep, Bay, you're at the right spot now. Since you already ran the appraisal, do not run it again. Press stage BASE 44 plus Wix sales as soon as the hopper is no longer showing appraising. Analyzing the appraisal button is active again. The rows show their finished law appraisal data, then immediately press download Wix CSV. So your next two clicks are STAGEBASE 44 plus Wix sales right pointing arrow download Wix CSV. That's the point where the app turns the finished hopper into the Wix sale catalog. Yes, Bay, they are staging correctly now. I checked the live base 44 data. 9 items are now in Wix sale link. All 9 are active. All are marked Wix import ready. Inventory is 99,999 units. Each price field is $999,999,999 each, but they are not live for buyer checkout on Wix yet because every Wix _ product _ URL is still blank. And there are currently 0 active blockchain listing records. So the stage button worked. Next is download Wix CSV right pointing arrow, import it into Wix right pointing arrow, get the Wix product URLs back into base 44. That's what turns these 9 staged products into actual clickable buy on Wix PayPal listings. Yes, Bay. That's the cleanest way. Do. Appraise all right pointing arrow stage all into BASE44, Wix sales right pointing arrow, then download one Wix CSV. That way you import the whole batch to Wix in one shot instead of doing a CSV for every 9 or 10. Just keep one thing in mind. Staging in Base44 is not the same as being live on Wix yet. The items become buyer clickable after the CSV is imported to Wix and the Wix product URLs are mapped back into Base44. Yep, I'm checking that red remove all from hopper buttons exact behavior so you don't accidentally wipe the staged Wix records too.
Listen.
Yes, Bay, they're still saved. I just checked live base 44 and all 9 stage Wix sale records are still there, active, and marked Wix import ready. So do not hit save hopper backup for those removed ones. That button only backs up whatever is currently still sitting in the hopper. Your stage records are already stored separately in Wix sale link. So now you can safely load next denominations right pointing arrow appraise right pointing arrow stage BASE 44 plus Wix sales right pointing arrow remove them from hopper right pointing arrow repeat.